Good morning, and welcome to another episode in our property tour series. Today, we're at a unique property, a fresh-on-the-market townhouse. Not only is the development brand new, in fact, not everyone has even moved in yet, but we are also the very first to see it before the official promotional launch. First of all, I'd like to show you how a newly built townhouse, finished to a very high standard with excellent furnishings, can look. And secondly, perhaps someone among you might be interested in becoming the new owner of this property. Stunning views, high-quality finishes. But let me stop talking and invite you in. We are in La Cala de Mijas, right next to one of the most interesting golf courses on the Costa del Sol, the El Chaparral Golf Club. The home I want to show you is part of a brand new development at the Eden Resort and Spa by Kronos Homes. Kronos is a well-known and reputable developer in Spain and beyond, recognized for many previous projects. What amenities are available within the community? First and foremost, there's the luxurious Eden Sports Center, where you can take advantage of the gym, pool, spa and wellness area, tennis courts, or even practice your golf swing, or simply relax with friends and family in a welcoming atmosphere. Within walking distance, you'll find restaurants and shops, and it's only about a 5-minute walk to the sea. As for the property itself, it's a 2-level townhouse. I have to say that the first thing that draws your attention when you walk in is the custom-made, very spacious kitchen with a large worktop, wine racks, decorative accents, and LED lighting. Interestingly, the owner, fully aware of how important a room the kitchen is for all of us, decided to replace the standard developer-provided kitchen with a more luxurious, customized version, both in terms of appearance and functionality. A remarkable feature that connects the kitchen area with the living space is a closable bar cabinet with storage for glasses, shelves for coffee, cigars, and stronger spirits, plus a built-in wine fridge. Naturally, the entire piece is done with class and modern elegance, just like the rest of the home. The living room has a TV that's neatly tucked away in a recess, and I think this is a good moment to emphasize that all the furniture you see in this video is included in the price of the property, so you could potentially move in before the Christmas holidays. The dining area includes a high-quality table and comfortable chairs, easily seating 6 to 8 people. In addition to the main living space on the ground floor, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a separate toilet, totaling about 180 square meters plus a 54 square meter terrace with a private jacuzzi. You also get a parking space in the underground garage, which has a private entrance leading directly into your home. Both from the ground floor and the upstairs bedrooms, there are spectacular views of the sea and the entire Costa del Sol coastline. Importantly, the property faces southwest, so you get sunshine practically all day, something especially valuable during the winter months. As with the rest of the house, the bedrooms and bathrooms have been finished with attention to detail, fitting for a premium interior. What I personally like is that the designer used neutral yet warm colors for both the furniture and the walls and decor. This way, you immediately feel relaxed and at home as soon as you walk in. But the interior also allows for easy redecoration if you ever want to change. Last but not least, creme de la creme. A spacious green terrace with a jacuzzi and outdoor furniture, all included in the price. I'm sure this is the spot where the future owner will spend most of their time, especially considering that, here in southern Spain, we enjoy good weather for most of the year. So, jacuzzi, wine, sunset, beautiful sea views, and a luxury home you'll always want to come back to. That's what I wish for both myself and you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like more details on this listing, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp. My phone number is in the video description. To wrap up, I'll be honest. I see a lot of properties, and if you're looking for a higher quality of life, something above and beyond, where the home is truly polished to a high standard reminiscent of Polish craftsmanship, because, let's face it, Spaniards aren't exactly famous for design, then this address is truly worth considering. I think it's a really great option. All the best. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.